As a Whova customer, you have the privilege to use many powerful features. You can manage the agenda, provide effective networking features for your attendees, guide them with interactive maps, do mobile surveys, share documents with attendees, use mobile banners to highlight sponsors, help your exhibitors generate leads, and do so much more. I'm sure that you are already familiar with those main features as our event consultants have explained in detail. So we will not go through them again and make you bored. Instead, we'll focus on 6 features you may not be familiar with, but many Whova customers found very useful. We'll share their stories about how these features helped them, along with their best tips. There's no additional charge to use these features, so don't miss them. Here, let's start with the Agenda widget. To create an event agenda on the Whova app, either manually fill in the information step by step or use a spreadsheet to upload it all at once. Then, preview it on your app. Using Whova's Agenda widget, you can even create a web page for your event website. The widget is a useful tool if you don't have time to make a web agenda or don't want to hire someone to keep updating it. Now you have a central place to manage both your web and mobile agendas. Any changes will automatically show up in all places. Here's what one event organizer said about Agenda widget.
We had over 200 sessions, 17 sessions going simultaneously. In terms of putting that information into Whova, it's very easy. We utilize the Agenda widget. Just need to copy one line into your event website and everything will integrate automatically. And then we did not have to update any changes that we made. It definitely just creates so many efficiencies for us.
The next feature is the announcement feature. It's especially handy during an event. Organizers can send attendees messages using push notifications and emails at the same time. That's 3 times more effective than emails alone, so they can instantly reach the majority of their attendees. That's great when rooms change, a shuttle is canceled, or other last-minute updates. Share event information like Wi-Fi passwords, access to slides, and Twitter hashtags. Or maybe something more unique, like this special cruise tour. JD Qualley sent 63 announcements during his conference. He has this to say.
We were very happy to use the announcements feature because this was a key way for us to communicate with our attendees and keep everyone informed. And so I highly recommend using this feature. And I was told by the organizing team that we upped our engagement 1,000% by choosing Whova this year.
Next feature explains the event bulletin board. It is a central place for participants to interact with one another and plan social activities. You can even guide conversation by creating topics, like what I'm learning at this event, or share tips for first-timers, or boost in-person activities with topics like local restaurants. Create those topics early so attendees can start the conversation even before the event. A professional event planner, Danny Johnson, used the bulletin board to create a great effect for her client's event.
Bulletin board was our way of connecting everyone at the summit. So it was our meeting space. We had folks engaged in particular topics initiated by the organizers. The folks were really excited by that, and we are too.
Now let's talk about their name badges and door-side check-ins. Your badges should be beautiful. The Whova dashboard already includes a stylish design template, so you can just customize the look and feel. If you need more information, like a title or a QR code, it's easy to add. We support 40 different sizes of badge labels and paper sizes, so there will be no issues with printer compatibility. Print badges in bulk, or make individual badges for last-minute registrants or walk-ins. An organizer, Elizabeth Tolia, loved this feature.
We used a different design. The first was for a speaker's dinner, and then the next day we had our conference that was over 500 people. To generate that many name badges, it was very convenient that it was all just one easy push of a button.
On the event day, check in attendees fast and easy. Ditch your paper spreadsheet. Simply search for an attendee's name on the Whova dashboard or app and check them in with one click. You can also scan the QR codes in their Whova apps or Whova name badges, and your whole team can work at the same time, so it will be very fast. Next feature is the Speaker Center. It saves you time in collecting and managing speakers' information. Do you usually ask your speakers to email their bios and session information for the event program? That means a ton of back and forth messaging, which can be a tedious mess. For Whova customers, the Speaker Center simplifies that. Organizers set up simple online forms that allow speakers to quickly upload their information and update it if it changes, so it automatically shows up on the app. Organizers also use the speaker widget to create sleek web pages containing their speaker list. When speakers or organizers make changes, Whova automatically updates both the web pages and the app. No manual effort required. Let's hear a story from an organizer who loved the Speaker Center.
So we have to manage 150 profile pages of our speakers. And the very good thing of Whova is that people take care of it themselves without any hassle. And of course they want to do that because they want an audience, and so they happily try to make their page nice.
Now let's talk about the live polling. It's a fun way to make events more interactive. Ask attendees any questions and collect answers instantly. Once attendees vote, they see other people's choices. They can even do it by email, increasing participation. Some events use it to vote for awards like a People's Choice Award. Others grab audience's attention during open remarks. You can even cut food costs by seeing how many attendees plan to go to the last day's lunch and quickly adjust the order. Event organizer Dr. John Iverson found the live polling useful at his National Association conference.
People like doing polls. It's just kind of fun to see where you fit, in the whole group. And I think we had a pretty good response and just had a lot of fun with. It's kind of a chance to find out more about the attendees that you maybe wouldn't actually know.
That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.